How does life persist in the harshest corner of our planet, the Sahara Desert? This is a question that has puzzled scientists and nature enthusiasts alike for centuries. The Sahara Desert, a realm of extremes, sprawls across a vast expanse in northern Africa. It's a place where the sun reigns supreme, showering the land with scorching temperatures that can reach up to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Day after day, the relentless sun bakes the sand, creating a landscape that seems more alien than earthly. Yet, this arid expanse is not just a sea of sand dunes, stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a dynamic environment, constantly reshaped by the wind that whips across its surface, sculpting the sand into ever-changing patterns. The Sahara is a canvas of nature's raw power and beauty, but it's also an environment of harsh extremes. Water, the elixir of life, is scarce here. It's a precious commodity that's more valuable than gold in this desolate landscape. The few rivers and oases that exist are like islands in a sea of sand, providing much-needed relief in this arid kingdom. Vegetation, too, is a scarce sight in the Sahara. Only the hardiest of plants can survive here, their roots digging deep into the sandy soil in a desperate search for water. These plants are the emerald jewels in the Sahara's golden crown, a testament to the resilience of life in the face of adversity. Despite these harsh conditions, the Sahara is far from lifeless. It's home to a diverse cast of creatures that have adapted to its extreme environment in remarkable ways. These hardy inhabitants have developed ingenious survival strategies to thrive in a place where most life forms would perish. So, as we stand on the brink of this unforgiving desert, we can't help but marvel at the resilience and adaptability of the life that calls this place home. It's a testament to the power of evolution and the indomitable spirit of life itself. Now prepare to embark on a journey through the sands of time, where survival is not a game, but a way of life. In this vast expanse of sand and sun, life thrives against all odds. Our first encounter is with the fennec fox. This small nocturnal creature with its distinctively large ears is a beacon of resilience in the Sahara. It's not just the fox's cuteness that catches our attention. These oversized ears, disproportionate to the fox's petite body, are not merely for show. They serve a crucial purpose that we'll delve into later. Next, we meet the enduring symbol of the desert, the dromedary camel. Known as the ship of the desert, this one-humped mammal has an undeniable charm. It's not just the camel's ability to carry heavy loads over vast distances that earns it this title. The dromedary camel is a master of endurance, a characteristic that's key to its survival. Then there is the Saharan silver ant, a species that truly embodies the phrase, "size doesn't matter." This tiny insect with its silver sheen is a marvel of the desert. Its diminutive size belies the immense strength and adaptability it possesses, allowing it to survive in one of the most inhospitable places on Earth. These creatures, each unique in its own way, share a common home, the Sahara, a place where temperatures can soar to scorching heights during the day and plummet to freezing lows at night. A place where water is more precious than gold, and shade is a luxury few can afford. Yet despite these harsh conditions, life persists. These species and many others have found a way to not just survive but to thrive. They have adapted and evolved, each in their own extraordinary way, to withstand the relentless and unforgiving nature of the desert. Each of these species has a tale to tell, a tale of resilience, adaptation, and the will to survive. These are the survivalists of the Sahara, the true masters of life in the desert. They are the testament to nature's incredible ability to persevere and to adapt. Their stories are a reminder of life's tenacity, its refusal to succumb, even in the face of the most daunting challenges. Survival in the Sahara is not a matter of chance, but of evolution and adaptation. Picture the fennec fox, an emblem of the Sahara's nocturnal wildlife. Its large, fan-like ears are not just for show, they serve a dual purpose: to dissipate heat during the scorching desert days and to pick up the faintest sounds of prey in the stillness of the night. This fox is a master of thermal regulation and stealthy hunting, all thanks to its oversized ears. Next, let's consider the dromedary camel, often called the ship of the desert. Contrary to popular belief, the camel's hump is not a reservoir of water. Instead, it stores fat, which the camel can metabolize into water and energy when resources are scarce. This fat storage allows the camel to travel great distances without food or water, making it an unbeatable survivor in the harsh Sahara terrain. Lastly, meet the Saharan silver ant, a tiny insect with a huge survival strategy. This ant is covered in a layer of unique hairs that reflect sunlight, reducing the ant's body temperature and making it look silver. But that's not all. These ants have also evolved to become the fastest in the world, moving at high speeds to reduce their contact time with the hot desert sand. This combination of reflective coating and speed enables them to forage in the extreme heat of midday when their predators are inactive. These creatures illustrate the incredible adaptability of life. Each species in its own way has evolved unique traits and behaviors that enable them to thrive in an environment where others would perish. They have turned the Sahara's harsh conditions into an advantage, demonstrating nature's remarkable resilience and ingenuity. These are but a few examples of the ingenious ways that life adapts to survive in the Sahara. In the heart of the Sahara, the cycle of life continues, undeterred by the unforgiving conditions. It's a place where the struggle for survival is a daily reality, where each species is connected in a complex web of interdependence. Here, predator-prey relationships are the beating heart of the ecosystem. The fennec fox, with its oversized ears and nocturnal habits, hunts rodents and insects under the cover of darkness, keeping their populations in check. Meanwhile, the deathstalker scorpion, a formidable predator in its own right, preys on these same species, contributing to the delicate equilibrium. But it's not just about the predators. Herbivores like the dromedary camel and the addax antelope play a vital role too. These tireless wanderers graze on the sparse vegetation, shaping the landscape and influencing the distribution of plant species. Their movements and feeding habits sow seeds and promote growth, ensuring the survival of the plants they feed on. In turn, these herbivores provide sustenance for the predators, closing the circle in this intricate dance of survival. The Saharan cheetah, with its exceptional speed, preys on these herbivores, ensuring their numbers are kept in balance, preventing overgrazing and degradation of the environment. And then, there are the scavengers, like the Egyptian vulture, swooping down to clean up the remains left by predators. Their role, often overlooked, is crucial in maintaining the health of the environment, preventing the spread of disease, and recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. In this harsh landscape, every species has developed unique survival strategies, adapting to the extreme conditions in remarkable ways. These strategies not only ensure their survival, but also impact each other, shaping the ecosystem and driving the cycle of life forward. It's a beautiful yet harsh symphony of survival, where every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest predator, plays a part. Each one is a thread in the intricate tapestry of life, their survival intertwined with the survival of the ecosystem as a whole. Every species plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this extraordinary ecosystem. In the heart of the Sahara, life persists, adapting, surviving, and thriving against all odds. The Sahara Desert stands as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. As we've journeyed through the unforgiving landscape of the Sahara, we've seen firsthand the remarkable survival strategies of its inhabitants. From the fennec fox with its oversized ears radiating heat to the dromedary camel storing fat in its hump, these remarkable adaptations are not just quirks of nature, but necessary tools for survival. The addax antelope, capable of going nearly its entire life without drinking water, derives moisture from the plants it consumes. The Saharan silver ant, with its heat-reflecting silver coat and high-speed sprint to avoid the scorching sand, showcases an incredible adaptation to the intense desert heat. These survival strategies are not just fascinating but are a testament to life's remarkable resilience and ingenuity. Every creature, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal, has developed unique ways to survive in this harsh environment. They are living proof that life, even in the most inhospitable conditions, finds a way to persist. However, the survival of these species is not guaranteed. Human activities, climate change, and habitat loss pose significant threats to these resilient creatures. Conservation efforts are crucial to preserving the delicate balance of life in the Sahara. From protecting habitats to implementing sustainable practices, each step we take brings us closer to ensuring the survival of these unique species. The Sahara, with its vast expanses of sand and scorching temperatures, is a testament to the adaptability of life. Its inhabitants have evolved over thousands of years to withstand conditions that would be fatal to many other species. They serve as an inspiring reminder of the power of resilience and the relentless drive of life to survive and thrive. The Sahara's inhabitants remind us that life in all its forms finds a way to endure, to adapt, and most importantly, to thrive.